If you are failing to manifest your desires, no matter what you do, this one thing, if you fix this one thing, it's going to change your life and give you results. Today, I'm going to discuss the one thing. There's just one thing that stops you from manifesting everything that you want, and this one thing is so simple. You've just got to fix this, and you could change your whole life. Trust me. I have gone from not being able to manifest anything to having some or the other manifestation show up every single day. Fix this, and you are going to thank me for the rest of your life. So, let's dive in. Hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar. I am your manifestation bestie because I love making manifestation easy for you. So, what is this one thing? See, there is just one thing, which is discipline, that is keeping you from manifesting what you desire. Now, if you've been on my channel or if you watched good manifestation coaches, this is what they tell you. This is what all of us tell you all the time. Manifestation is simple. You decide what you want. You pick a manifestation technique. It could be affirming, it could be scripting, visualizing. You could use stats, you could use meditation, whatever it is. Pick one manifestation technique, use it to, change your subconscious. Basically, we use any manifestation technique to reprogram our subconscious mind. All right. And if you want more details on how to reprogram your subconscious, there's a video that I have created and I'll link it up here. So you use a manifestation technique and you persist. Now, the reason why a lot of people fail at manifestation is because they only do the first two steps. They don't do the third one, they do not persist. They don't see their results in like 1 or 2 days or 3 days, and then they just assume that it's not supposed to happen for them. They give up, they quit, and they never manifest. Here's the thing with manifestation: how quickly you manifest your desires is dependent on how quickly you reprogram your subconscious, how quickly your self concept changes. And when you are new to manifestation, or let's say you are a seasoned manifester but you find it extremely difficult to manifest your desires, the reason is that you do not have the discipline as of yet, the discipline to have a strict mental diet, the discipline to live from the end, the discipline to do not let your circumstances, your 3D circumstances, dictate what is going on in your mind. This is one statement that was written by Wallace Wattles in his amazing book, The Science of Getting Rich. He says that the one task from which every human being runs away. See, he says the one task which is most difficult for any human being to do is not a physical task. Instead, it is the ability to think the truth regardless of appearance. And the truth is, what is the truth? That there is no disease, that there is no poverty, that there is no lack. This universe is an expansive universe. This universe is an abundant universe. Do you know that we have not even yet been able to identify how big the universe actually is? We don't know how many life forms are available in our own planet. The universe is abundant, and the only thing that is keeping you from your abundance, be it about love, be it about money, be it about success, whatever it is your own lack of focus, your own lack of discipline, your own ease with which you just look at what's happening in the 3D and then just start thinking as if that's the reality. This is what is keeping you. See, human beings, you are capable of thinking whatever you desire regardless of the circumstance. It doesn't matter what's going on. It doesn't matter what your 3D is showing you. You have the capability to think whatever you want. And from your thoughts comes what? Your emotions, your feeling states. And your thoughts reprogram your subconscious mind. And the moment you choose to be disciplined in the thoughts that you want to think, the desire that you want to manifest, the moment you, with all discipline, tell yourself, I don't care what the 3D is showing me. This is what I want. I'm going to think thoughts that tell me that I already have what I want and I'm going to get it. Nothing can stop me. When you have this mindset, you are going to change your life. You are going to completely make the 3D irrelevant, because it is irrelevant. It's literally a simulation. Your current 3D reality is a result of your thoughts in the past. Let it go. Do not let it control you. You control it by changing your thoughts. And discipline. This is where you need it. You need the discipline, because when you're starting out, when your 3D is trash and everything is at your face, telling you how what you desire is not here, you will be tempted to drown in the thoughts of, it's not going to work out for me. I'm just unlucky. I'm just born in the wrong situation. You will be tempted. And this is what happens with everybody. This is why people do not manifest. They get tempted to think that it's not happening. But it is happening. And your thoughts, or your lack of discipline in your own thoughts, is what is keeping you from getting your desire. So no matter what happens today, I want you, comment, I promise to be disciplined. If you are ready to, with all discipline, with everything that you've got, if you truly want your desire, alright, this video is not for people who are just like, yeah, it's okay if I don't get it. This is not for them. If you truly want something, comment it and claim it for yourself. You are going to be disciplined in your mental diet. You are not going to let the 3D affect you. See the magic. See what happens. I have seen it happen. It has changed everything. Discipline is everything. If you have decided to do something, you have got to be disciplined enough to do it. If you have decided that you're going to manifest some desire, be disciplined that you are going to manifest it no matter what happens. Doesn't matter what the 3D is showing, because who the hell is 3D? You want something, you must get it. It's all about you. It's all about your mindset. And it's all about how disciplined you can be with that mindset and with yourself. Do this and see how quickly you manifest everything you desire. It's gonna blow your socks off. So, with that, thank you so much for joining me here today. Like this video, because I know it literally gave you the big secret to manifestation. Comment and share this video with your friends and family, so that they can also benefit from this video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here. Press the bell icon. And if you'd like my 1:1 guidance, you can check the description box for the details of my manifestation packages. With that, thank you so much for joining me here today. I'll see you again soon. Bye.